Hi guys, how are you all? Myself CA Jay Chawla, faculty for CA Final Financial Reporting. I hope your studies are going on full swing for this May 23 attempt. Now there's a great announcement for all of you. The announcement is new videos of chart revisions, CA Final Financial Reporting, most important INDAS chart revisions. And the most important thing is, the special thing is, these chart revisions are now first time I'm going to conduct in English language. Why English language? So that every student from every part of India can also take the benefit of these chart revision lectures. Now, when I'm going to conduct these sessions will be started from 17th of April on our YouTube channel. So, subscribe our YouTube channel for these chart revision lectures. Now, the second most important thing about these chart revision lecture is I will cover the most important INDAS portions in very minimum time. See, the chart revisions are would be done from these charts. Now, the most important topics I will be able to cover in 1 hour, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 20 minutes. These are the topics which, if you want to cover by yourself, it can take so much of time. So what I am going to do, I am going to revise all the portions of a particular INDAS and the most INDAS also. Along with that, I will discuss some few important questions of each and every topic which I will cover. Definitely, I will not be able to cover the all INDAS portion, but I will try to cover the most important INDAS portion from this chart book. Okay, so this is the chart book. You can purchase also this chart book from our website. If you will watch these lectures from our chart book, that definitely it will be beneficial for your studies. So you can take out, you can purchase, place the order from our website, the chart book, only at $4.99. What you need to do, just place the order. I have given the link in the description box for the purchase. If you are going to purchase these charts, I am making you sure that the delivery will be done at earliest at your home. So don't worry. These chart revision lectures are going to be started soon for 17th of April for May 23 attempt. So now, all the very best, and I will meet you for the chart revision lectures.